to enable USB tethering on any phone. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow and you should be able to demonstrate how to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. First of all, we need to link our phone to the PC or laptop using a USB cable. So go ahead and connect your Android phone to the computer via USB. Once it is done, you can go to your settings on your phone. Once you go to settings, you can go to connections, tap on it, and look out for the option called network or internet and tap on it, or go to mobile hotspot and tethering option. Once we head over the section, we will be finding an option called USB tethering. So all we gotta do is turn on the toggle for that, and the computer should automatically recognize the phone as the new network adapter. And that is it. And if it's grayed out like this, ensure that the USB cable is securely connected to both of the phone and the computer, and that should work out. Usually, you can just go over and follow out this method, and you should be able to enable the USB tethering on any of your phone. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.